Alright, so today we're going to be talking about fire tinder and how to get your fire started. So we have the traditional way of, taking a knife, basically getting some fine wood, fine dry wood like that, and starting a fire that way. Then we also have the store-bought way, and we also have the DIY way that I will show you here in a second. The wood, of course, it's going to burn fine. Just got to get enough of it. Just have you a good knife, and see, you can break it off. This wood's very, very, very brittle and will light very well. There we go. Show some of that, and boom, you've got some fire, right? Easy enough. Now, in my opinion, if you want to carry some of these are amazing. I carry some for emergencies in my bag. So let's get this open. Let's test this thing out. And also just burn the plastic instead of littering it. Light that up, and boom, look how well that burns. Burns very, very, very well. You can get these at Walmart. I'll put that picture of the box up on the screen now. And yeah, this literally will burn for a good bit. Definitely long enough for you to get your fire started. Definitely long enough to get your fire started. So you can take some other wood. Works perfectly fine. Now let's get to the DIY. Oh, also, really quick before we get to the DIY section, this right here is very windproof. See, just won't stop burning. Alright, and final way, you can take toilet paper rolls, and if you have a dryer at the house or in your home, you can fill it with dryer lint, and it doesn't work as good as the store-bought log, obviously. It is definitely worth to make some of these just in case. Alright, and we will test this out. Sorry for any wind noise that you're getting. It's very windy here today. Hold it up, and you can see the wind is catching on fire. This is pretty good. Not the best, but definitely worth having a couple just in case. They weigh absolutely nothing. Pretty handy to have. They've saved me a couple times. That's all for this video. If you have any other suggestions on what to do here, I know most people carry a ferro rod around. I've just never really been a big fan. Definitely worth having as well. But if you have any other tinder suggestions, just let me know. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching, and you have a good one.